Welcome to 217 Browning Road in Villa Rica, Georgia. Now, you want the secluded lifestyle, the cabin type lifestyle, but only minutes from the city? This is it. You want to talk about a kit? This is not a kit. This is a real log that were imported in to create this authentic cabin log home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath that sits on 4.7 acres. It's right here, y'all. So let's go check it out. If I bought this cabin, I already know what I'll do with it. Hey, this can be for weekend getaways, an Airbnb investment, or even family gatherings. It just feels different.
And family game night, right here.
And you better not touch my snacks.
And in this kitchen, this is where the memories are made.
Imagine walking up here. You get peace and quiet. Nature, privacy, and less than an hour from Atlanta. That's the reason that people invest in cabins like this. If you need a lender and a realtor to secure this cabin, call me before anybody else gets to it first.